So guys, today we'll be talking about long form videos. If you're stuck on 0 view, yes, a lot of people are stuck on 0 views, 2 views, 3 views on their long form video. Yes, so I'm going to tell you some 5 tips that you need to do that will push your videos from 0 view to like 100 view, 1000 view, whichever way that it's it, but you will definitely move from where you are. Yes, like I said my video is my channel is an experiment that I try so many things, and when it works for me, definitely I'll bring it out for you guys to try if you want to. But I know you want to, right? And it will definitely help you. So quickly, and before I forget, guys, please, if you see ads on my video, please don't skip, please. Thank you so much. Verified. When I mean account verified, I mean the number, if the number is verified on YouTube. So how you can go about it, put it up there for you to see if your account is verified. I know most of you will be saying, obviously my account is verified, so what next? Don't skip. Let me tell you the remaining 4 tips that if you've done that already, what is making you getting low views. 2 is content value. Most of us post content that we feel we like. We post content, we feel that I'm okay with this and just no, you're not the only one watching it. It's not only your family that will watch it. You want everybody to watch it. So why are you thinking about only yourself? Why don't you think about what people will like, to what is trending? If you're doing YouTube tutorial, pick topic that people are talking about. Monetization, Google Ads, do something that is trending, what people want. And if you want, because when YouTube is sending your video out and people are commenting on it, are recognizing it, YouTube will tend to push it. And if YouTube doesn't push your video, how do you want to get views? So most times, don't always focus. Look at the content you are giving out. If the content is what people want, and I will always tell you, do what is trending. Don't just do that you want to be original. It doesn't work in YouTube. So post, it doesn't have value at that moment, but it's a good content, but it does not have value at that moment. So content value, you should check whatever you're doing. And secondly, try and engage with others too. From engaging with one another, a lot of persons will also watch your video. If you're engaging in 10 persons, for example, you're commenting on their page, you're commenting on their you're liking their videos and every other thing, likely they will also do the same thing to YouTube. From there, you're getting views, and YouTube is saying, oh, people are liking this. That is what I feel. When you're not a robot, why won't you be engaged? The third one is video optimization. I do say this all the time. It's not enough for you to just do video and post. Are everything optimized? Are you optimizing the right keywords? Are you doing the right thing? I did a tutorial I did a video concerning this AI tools that will help you from your tags, from your hashtag, from your thumbnail, your description, from everything. That is when your video you can really get views from your videos. If you are not optimizing it properly, your video will just be there. So video optimization is very, very key. I have said it. Let the AI to help you in all those things. A lot of us, we just use YouTube recommendation. Your video they are talking about, there are hashtags for it. There are tags for it that people are talking about it. There are hashtags for it that people hashtags that there are other hashtags you can use that is particular to that your videos. And tags is very key, because the AI tools will pick all the keywords or all the things that people have been asking concerning this kind of video they are putting out. So when somebody is searching for it, your video may likely pop up because you're using the right tags for it. Please, video optimization, if you don't do the necessary thing, you're not optimizing rightly, you will get low view, honestly. Then the last one for me, I feel that a lot of uploading too much. If you're uploading too much, you are just confusing. Is here. Some people post 3 times a day. That's almost like 21 videos. Like what? Well, people will think that you are not giving a good content. People will feel that it's not valuable. You are just here and there. No, at least once in a week and once in a day, like twice in a week, twice in a week is still fair. Like people will know that when this person comes to give us content, is top notch. It's not all the time. Yeah, it's when it's not serious. No. And too much of everything is not good, right? So do those things that I've said to you that works for me. Check if your account is verified. Obviously your account will be verified, right? 2, content value. Stop thinking like you want to be the original person. Stop thinking that it is you that want to start what that is new. No, give us what people want. What are the things they want? Try and look for it and give us, and see if people will not follow you. Thirdly, video optimization. Use the right keywords from your file name, from your description, from your hashtag, from your tags, and every other thing. If up till now that you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notification when my video pops up. And if you subscribed already, you know I love you. See you.